So today I'm going to show you how to mark off your Novo invoice as paid once a payment has come through. So we're here actually on our desktop version of Novo, so I can show you step by step. Doing this on your mobile should be fairly similar in this process. Now, we just recently got paid from one of our clients and we want to go ahead and mark that invoice. So if I actually scroll down here, now down here, this is our invoice section. Of course, we could also go to our invoices here on the left-hand side. Either option will show up all of our invoices. Now, just as an example, you see some that show paid, some might say overdue, and the other ones say sent. So if you got a company that recently paid into one of those invoices, we want to mark that as paid. Now, you could either click on all invoices, or if you want to click on the invoice that just got paid out, let's go ahead and do that. So now we went ahead and clicked on invoice number 10. That was the invoice that recently got paid. It actually shows you some recent activities here as well, just so you can see. And then you can also preview the invoice again if you absolutely needed to. But what we want to do is go ahead and click on mark as paid, and I'm going to show you how this actually works. Now we're going to get this pop-up menu here that does say mark as paid, and what we're going to have is a couple different transactions here at the very top that could potentially be that invoice that got paid. We can also search for the transaction as well. Now it just so happens that our transaction is here at the very top, so we're going to go ahead and mark this up right over here. There is also a section down here at the bottom to say mark as paid without linking, so if you do not have that transaction, maybe they paid in cash or some other way, you can click this option. So from here we went ahead and toggled the transaction and click mark as paid. So now that brings us back to the invoice homepage. You could see we are on invoice 10 still, and now the status has been switched over to paid, and our client will get a new email showing that the invoice has been officially paid, as well as an email for ourselves just confirming that as well. Now there is more to learn when it comes to running your small business, and we got you covered here at The Business Nerd. Check out our video right over here on screen.